Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back too from Ireland, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So yes, I am back from Ireland. I'm sorry I didn't post a video on Tuesday when I got home on Monday. It was just not happening. And I'm going to tell you all about Ireland, but I'm not sure if I'm going to tell you all about it today or in my next video, because I have some products here today that I've been so excited to try for you that I bought them prior to my trip, and I was going to try and get as many as I could cranked out, and I couldn't. It was too busy, so we're gonna do it now. So I bought it before my trip, and so it's been sitting in my room, and we're just gonna do it today, and I'm very excited to try it. I'm hoping it's the right shade. I bought it online, and I bought it, I think, in a shade darker, only because I was hoping for it to be here before my trip, so I could have filmed it, but I didn't. Anyway, so let's jump right in. We're going to do a first impression review. It's Friday, and let's just grab a snack, cup of coffee, and let's get going. So we're doing we're doing something that I haven't done in a very long time, which is a foundation first impression. I want to start off with saying that when you try out a new face product, makeup-wise, you should always use all the other products that you use on your face, aside from the new one, should be something that you used already, because you know how it works on your face. And if the new product does something weird to your face,
I look like hell. I got bags under my eyes.
then you know it's because of that one particular new product, and not because, you know, you've tried 18 different products and you don't know which one is giving you a breakout, or it's making your foundation lift, whatever. You use your tried and true if you're trying out a new face product, because I've learned in the past that I was like, ooh, I tried out all these different products all at once, and I didn't realize that it was not the best way to judge things. Oh, hi. You can come in. Scared me. So you don't really get a good understanding as to what products are actually working if you're using a whole bunch of new products. It's like, okay, so then you have to use one over and over again, and then the other, and it's the whole process. So just use your normals. Now my ramble is over. Start off with primer. We're starting with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. Okay, so I want to mention something. I brought the OG Power Grip Primer with me, but the travel one, and I have to tell you that it wasn't as sticky as the normal one, and it wasn't like the full-size one, and it was loose. Like, it was much looser.
Well, that's disappointing.
I was just like a little disappointed. But anyway, let's get down to what we are doing today. We will let this dry down. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but it is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint. You see it? It has vitamin C derivative in it. It is a buildable skin-like coverage, weightless feel, natural radiant finish, resists sweat, water, and transfer, up to 24-hour wear, shake well before using. Good to know that I read that part, because you know me, I'm not a shaker before the using part. Okay, so I got in the shade 129. I have a feeling it's going to be a little too dark, but we shall see. We will make it work if it doesn't work, and if it doesn't even work at all, I'm just going to return it. But if it does work, like the actual product itself, then I'll go for the lighter skin tone. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do something different than I normally do. Okay, so normally I just use one instrument to put my face makeup on. But I'm gonna do half with putting it on a sponge and half with putting it on with a brush. We are going to be using on one side my Haley's Kabuki brush, and then the other side we're gonna use my Aesthetica Beauty sponge. We're gonna shake it. Okay, Ireland was gorgeous. And remember my rant that went on about my hair? There would have been no way to have my hair straightened every day. It rains. Like, literally the weather pattern is always rainy with a chance of sun, not sunny with a chance of rain. So it would have been such a waste of time. All right, so it comes with a dropper. You know how much I hate droppers, right? Okay, that's gonna be definitely too dark. Shoot. Make it work? Well, make it work.
Make it work.
Yeah, it's gonna be too dark. Oh. So one side, Beauty Blender. Other side, oh, hi. Hello. You know what? This is bringing me back to the Palladio CC cream. I mean, it is a skin tint, isn't it? It's a skin tint. So, yeah, forgot about that. Yeah, this was all because I got this color because I wanted to have it before my trip to do this video for you, and I didn't even have the time. And yeah, but let me tell you that aside from the fact that it is very dark for my skin tone, it blended in really well with a damp beauty sponge and very easily. And it's already dried down. That's sick. That is sick. Now I have to like make sure I don't like have it look like that the rest of the day. Wow. That is insane. All right, let's do the other side now. Yeah, so Ireland was incredible. The place where we went to for like an entire, like we stayed in Dublin for a little bit. I'm going to do the entire video with like photos and videos and stuff like that. So I'm just going to do like a quick little like synopsis of my trip. But so we stayed in Dublin for like the first couple days and it was just really rainy and like drabby, whatever. But it was beautiful. It was just rainy and drabby. And then we went to this little town called Dungarvan and it was the green. It was so green because of all the rain. It was just so green and it was beautiful. And even though it did rain a lot, it like stopped raining. It wasn't like sometimes it rained like all day. And then there's some times where it was just like little spots of rain. It was chilly at night, but it was like warm-ish during the day. I mean, I wore tank tops. Guys, I actually got color at a beach. It's not actually a beach. It's not like a sandy beach. It was a rocky beach, but still a beach nonetheless. So I got color in Ireland. It's kind of like my Delaware story. It blends in really nicely. It is, what time is it now? It's 1:39. You see that? It's 1:39. And so by the end of the day, once I have all this edited and whatever, I will let you know how it ended up going throughout the day. It is dark. I'm liking the finish. Or am I? I don't know. What do you guys think? Yeah, now I'm thinking that I shouldn't put on concealer because I feel like it's going to be too much. But the concealer that I just put on and ruined my look with is the NYX Bear With Me concealer. I don't know why I don't use this concealer more often. It really does blend in very well. How else, without like telling you so much stuff about Ireland, what can I tell you about Ireland? All right, we're gonna go light on the cheeks because again, we are very dark. So I'm using my Heart Candy Selfie Cheek Tint, Universal's Cheek Tint, which I used a lot on my trip actually. Oh, so let me tell you about this. So they have a different Makeup Revolution line there. It's called XX Revolution. I don't know if anybody's heard of that. Going back to, they have most of the same products makeup-wise that we do over there, but they do have things, they get things later than we do. So I think that some products that we've had for a while are just starting to go over there and vice versa. But the Makeup Revolution, their line is a London-based line. So they probably, maybe we haven't gotten the XX Revolution. I'm not really sure. But I'm hoping that we do. I used this so many days on my trip. It's the Uma Beauty by Sharon C. You get it at Walmart. We're just going to do a quick eye. Really nothing special. Because again, this video is about the foundation skin tint. I mean, my nephew was so good on the plane. Like, didn't cry, nothing. Me, on the other hand, I am a terrible flyer. I was not great on the plane. All right, let's just do a little bit of, so I just did the, what color is this? The Lunar, and I'm just going to go in very little bit with the Enlightened. Actually, let's just do the whole eye. Yeah, we're going to do a whole breakdown of Ireland on Tuesday because I want to devote an entire video for that and not have it focused on a new makeup product. I think that's fair. And I didn't really do the travel vlog that I wanted to do because I kept forgetting. I did record some things, but not everything because I also forgot. Okay, now that I've lined my lower lash line with the Enlightened color, I'm going to use the Maybelline False Lash Lift. They have there are so many streets in Ireland that look like they just came out of Harry Potter. And my brother kept telling me, you can't say that. That's from England. Because, you know, England and Ireland are not like, you know, whatever. I don't even know. I'm not going to say anything because I don't want to cause any trouble. But it literally looked like they were all part of Diagon Alley for all you Harry Potter fans. There were so many cows and horses and yeah. I'm sorry I'm not going into so much detail, but you're just going to have to wait till Tuesday to find out what actually happened on my trip. And one way to find out when the video is posted is if you turn on your notifications, which is the little bell next to subscribe, so that you can be notified when I post new videos, you can also subscribe and like this video because that helps me a lot. We'll just go in for good measure, the Milani, the highly rated anti-gravity mascara. Okay, so I got a new color in the lip drip oil, the lip drip fat oil. It's in the shade That's Chic. I have a feeling it's going to be very dark because it's purple. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's purple. And it smells like grape. Yum. That's actually really pretty. God, these are so awesome. This one's more of an actual lip because like it does give that extra color. So I actually do like that. Consensus on the skin tint. I like it a lot so far. We'll test it out later on. We're gonna set our face. We didn't do that. Then how are we supposed to know if it's gonna... Okay, how about I set one side of my face? Let's do that. Okay, so we're setting my right side of my face with some setting spray and the other side without setting spray because I want to see if it actually stays as long as, well, it's actually not going to be 24 hours. I'm not going to be wearing it for 24 hours, but we're going to do like what, a 9-10 hour test. So we'll see what it looks like with and what without. I'll write it down in the description box. So far I am actually really liking the skin tint. Also, this color is stunning. The That's Chic in the lip oil. Stunning. Everything I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. I do make a small commission. It helps my channel grow significantly if you buy stuff from there. I'm so glad to be back with you guys. I'm so glad to be back. I love you. I will see you guys very soon. Have a great weekend, day, month, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, I love you, my butterflies. Bye.